it looks like. That rubber's missing on the bottom. It's got the nut on it still. Come off on this one. Might fall down, so. It might come around. All right, go ahead and roll it down. Okay. So we pulled the axles out. This is the front end for the four-wheel drive section, right? We pulled it out. We got up on sawhorses, so we cleaned it. We was checking these bushings. It's a good thing. We have a bad bushing. In fact, this bushing on this side completely broke off here. It's still in here. So we're gonna find a way of getting this out. The whole nut section just completely twisted off of it. Yeah. So we kind of made it, I don't know if it looked easy or not in our video, but it really wasn't all that easy. The thing just weighs a lot. Trying to manage it, trying to get it out. The thing's been in there for a long time. And, you know, it came out, we got it out, but it wasn't as easy as we was hoping for. It should come out easier. We're gonna have some new parts. We're gonna have to get some new bushings, obviously. We're gonna replace these brake hoses. There's a short one here, this long one, and this other short one. We already got the two short ones. We didn't order the longer one. We need to do that still. And then check out our steering components a little bit. We're pretty sure they're gonna be okay. But that's it. It was a booger getting this out. He had a hammer on this a long time to get this broken loose from the front end suspension, the turning section. Yeah, so, but it's here. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna do what we did with the rear. Clean it really good, put some primer on it, put some new fresh black pretty paint on it, new bushings, brake hoses, get it back in the unit, and now we can put the brakes on it, and then we're gonna take it out. So I'm kind of excited about that because I haven't even drove this Jeep yet. So we need to get it out there and see how well it's gonna do, if it's gonna do anything at all. So, but we had some stuff we had to take care of first. we're getting that taken care of. This is one of the priorities, was our brakes. We went a little bit farther and did our bushings, and now we're going way farther and just painting the darn thing. That's right, so here it is. And we're gonna get this done. It's gonna take a few days to get this painted, and we'll get it put back together. And still we gotta order parts, so that's gonna be at least 3 or 4 days getting parts, if not longer. And we need new shocks, so I gotta order them too. So, memory lane garage, front axles completely out. We're gonna be painting it. We will be videoing that like we did the rear. Probably won't be an extent as a video, but we're gonna get some paint on it. Thank you for watching.